I bet you didn't know the secret behind market movements. Welcome back, recurrent viewers, and a warm welcome to new ones. Kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Want to turn your spare change into a pile of cash? Who doesn't? The markets can feel like a casino, right? Spinning, flashing, going up and down faster than well, you get the idea. But fear not, because amidst the chaos lies order. Hidden within the price swings is a secret code, a mathematical marvel that can help you predict the market's next move, sometimes. It's called Fibonacci retracement, and it's about to become your new best friend. Fibonacci, what sounds like a fancy Italian coffee, might make you think of a cozy cafe in Rome, but it's actually a fascinating sequence of numbers with a rich history. Don't worry, no complicated math here. The basic idea is that each number is the sum of the two before it. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. This sequence was introduced to the Western world by Leonardo of Pisa, who was known as Fibonacci. The magic happens when you divide one number by the next one. You get ratios like 0.618 or 38.2%. These ratios are known as the golden ratio and are incredibly significant. Sound familiar? These ratios, my friends, appear everywhere in nature, from the spirals of seashells to the patterns in sunflowers. They create a sense of harmony and balance. And guess what? They show up in financial markets too. Crazy, right? Traders use these ratios to predict market movements. Fibonacci. Retracement levels act like support and resistance levels, places where the price might bounce back or reverse. These levels help traders make informed decisions and manage risks effectively. So, how do you actually use this thing? Let's break it down step by step. First, find a clear uptrend or downtrend on your chart. Easy peasy, right? This is your starting point. Then, apply the Fibonacci tool from your trading platform. It's usually just a click away. It'll magically draw lines at those key ratios like 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. These lines become your crystal ball, showing you potential areas where the price might reverse. Think of them as your market GPS. Imagine this. Bitcoin is skyrocketing to the moon. Everyone's talking about it, and you don't want to miss out. You use Fibonacci and see it's pulling back to the 38.2% level. This is a key moment. This could be a buying opportunity, my friend. You might decide to jump in and make a purchase. But remember, no guarantees in the market. It's always a bit of a gamble. It's like trying to predict which Kardashian will trend next, possible but never certain. So, use Fibonacci wisely and always stay cautious. Section 4, Tips and Tricks. Don't bet the farm just yet. Before you go all in on Fibonacci, here's the deal. It's not a magic bullet. It's tempting to think that one tool can solve all your trading problems, but that's rarely the case. It's a tool, like a hammer. Just as a hammer is essential in a toolkit, Fibonacci is valuable in trading. Useful, but you wouldn't use it to fix your leaky faucet, right? You need the right tool for the right job. Combine Fibonacci with other indicators like trend lines or moving averages. This combination can give you a more comprehensive view of the market, get a second opinion, or maybe even a third. Risk management is key. Consulting with others can provide new insights and help you avoid costly mistakes. Don't be a hero and bet everything on one trade. Diversify your investments to spread out risk. Start small, dip your toes in the water before you dive headfirst. This cautious approach allows you to learn and adapt without risking too much. Remember, even Warren Buffett started with a piggy bank, not $1 billion. Building wealth takes time, patience, and smart decisions. Section 5. Show me the money potential benefits and why you should care. Why bother with Fibonacci at all? Well, it can help you identify potential entry and exit points for your trades. Knowing where the price might reverse gives you an edge, like peeking at your opponent's cards in poker. Don't actually do that, though. It can also help you set stop-loss orders, which are like safety nets for your trades. Nobody likes losing money, right? Fibonacci can help you minimize losses and maximize profits, and who doesn't love more money? Section 6. Conclusion. Go forth and conquer the charts, but maybe not literally. So there you have it. Fibonacci retracement. Demystified. It's not magic, but it can feel like it when used correctly. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of trading, that translates to potential profits. Now go forth, my little trading apprentices, and may the Fibonacci force be with you. If you enjoyed the video till now, kindly like and subscribe to the channel.